Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Riya Sharma, and in this video I'm recording this video in the field. So you can see over here the paddy fields. I'm sitting here now, and behind me you can see the paddy. It's growing. So it's a time of evening and we came in the field with my cousins and with my granny, and we are enjoying also over here. So I thought, why not record video? So I started recording video. As you can see the paddy all over. So it's really very eye-blowing moment for me. So you know what, my friends, I want to share with you something, and this is the main reason why you are not able to speak in English. Even though you have been practicing for a very long time, but still you are not able to speak in this language. What I have observed recently, you may have seen few people who haven't been learning this language for a very long time, but still they are able to speak in this language. But on the other hand, you may have seen lots of people who have been learning this language for a very long time, but still they are not able to speak in this language. Why? What's the problem behind it? What's the reason behind it? That why few people are able to speak in this language even after giving short amount of time, but or why few people are not able to speak in this language even after giving lots of time, even after putting lots of time into it. So let's find it out. My friends, what's the reason behind it? Why people are not able to speak in this language? I want to give you example. Suppose you want to be very fluent, but you are on a beginner level when it comes to speak in this language. So how you can become fluent in this language? Okay, so suppose you set a goal that after a few months I would be very fluent in this language, and after setting this big goal, you think, not only you think, lots of people think, everybody I guess think that for this big goal right now I'm not able to speak even small sentences, small words, but I want to be very fluent in this language. So so if I want to achieve this goal, so I have to make a big plan. Okay, I have to ideate big, and that is why this is the trap. Why lots of people are not able to speak in this language after putting lots of time into it, because they don't speak in this language. They just ideate. They give so much time in ideation, in planning, just because achieving that big goal. They think that after the small actions cannot do anything. If I want to achieve that big goal, I want a big action, big plan. Okay, but seriously, I'm telling you that small actions work, and small actions will lead you towards your result rather than taking a big action at a sudden. Okay, because when I started learning this language, I was also thinking that how can small actions, small vocabularies can can make me fluent. Okay, how can I be fluent if I would speak 5 minutes or 10 minutes in a day at starting? But I took small actions. Right now even I've been taking small actions for a very long time. So small actions will lead you towards your result rather than taking big actions. Seriously, believe me, if you just put your self in planning, in plotting, and you are not focusing on taking actions means speaking. Speaking is the most important thing over here. Listening and speaking is the very essential part of learning this language. So if you are not taking small actions and just thinking about big actions, big goal, big aspirations, believe me that your your goal make you scared. Seriously, your goal make you scared, because when I started learning this language, I was also thinking about to be fluent. And when I used to think about becoming fluent, like my goal used to make me scared that how it would possible, like how it will be possible, how I would become fluent. Like I was thinking like these kind of things. My big goals was scaring me, and that is why I was not taking small actions, and that is why it took me so long to speak in this language. And even now I'm not that much fluent. So please take small actions rather than thinking about big actions. You know what, when I started making videos, so I was also thinking that what will happen, like what would happen if I would make video without any good equipment, because I have a simple camera. And sometimes you may have seen the video of my camera. It is not that much good. It is little bit blur also. So yeah, but I am taking small actions. As you can see, I am not that much fluent, but still I am taking small actions. I am speaking in front of camera. So I hope this video gonna helpful for you. Right now the sun is going to set, so I have to go home also. And as you can see the greenery over here, and there are some people also. Okay, so they come in this field with their cattle, with their goats. So this is so eye-blowing. I cannot say anything. I don't have any words. Okay, so as you can see the greenery over here, I'm so happy after coming here. And I would definitely record these videos in future as well, with full of greenery, full of lots of things. So I hope this video is gonna helpful for you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.